Hey folks, I'm here today to tell you a little bit about API Can Code's CSV to JSON online converter, which is found on our website. The purpose of this tool is for you to be able to take a spreadsheet of CSV data and turn it into a JSON file so that you can use it within EdgeBlocks. Before you upload a file to the tool, you should double check all the data to make sure there aren't stray commas somewhere in the dataset. It's especially important, clicking in here, to check the headers of each column and make sure that all the names of the variables don't have commas in them, as this will generally break the data set. And when the tool scans the CSV, it'll find more separations than it thinks there should be. So make sure there are no commas in your data set other than the commas separating actual values. Once you've checked your data, drop it onto this window here where it now says veggies.csv. Again, a reminder to make sure your CSV file doesn't contain any commas other than the separations. We're going to click Get Headers. I'm going to select all for this so that we get all the data. I'm scrolling down and converting selected columns to JSON. At this point, I now have a JSON file that I can copy and paste into a variable. In fact, we've given you an EdgeBlock program linked here that you can use for this analysis. You can copy the JSON data with the button just below the printout, which should then copy all the data. Over in the JSON file, we're now able to paste that data directly into this line marked here. This allows us to print out our JSON data and filter it to our heart's content. Hopefully you get to use the CSV to JSON converter on API Can Code's website. Hope you enjoy.